Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mama Double N. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious creamy mushroom chicken recipe. Trust me, you are going to love it. You can eat this food with your plantain, rice, potato, anything of your choice. Watch how my husband eat this delicious food and you are going to laugh a bit.
Mama Double N kitchen. Only God know wetin he cook. Oh, chicken, plantain, and only God know wetin the name of the sauce. The sauce with meat,
Mushroom sauce.
mushroom sauce. What's mushroom in Nigeria at that time? Oh,
Itun.
Itun sauce. Itun sauce.
Itun sauce. Oh, what's the flesh? What's the meat you are eating?
Chicken. Yeah, breast chicken.
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast, yeah.
Breast chicken.
Nice.
I'm a good cook, right?
Yeah, you're trying, my girl.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
Trying.
Best. I am coming.
So guys, yes, here are my ingredients that I have here for this recipe. I have my 3 kinds of black pepper here, okay? So I'm going to be using 3 of them each. I have also my seasoning for the meat, for the chicken and the sauce, okay? Yes, that's chicken breast. I've already cut it in the pieces I want it. That's my onions there already sliced, okay? And here is my olive oil. You can decide to use whichever oil you want, but I decided to use olive oil. I'm going to also be using butter as well later on. I have my heavy cream here. In German language it is called Schlag Sahne. Yes, and also I've got also my salt and my mushroom as well. Okay guys, so now I'm going to start by seasoning the chicken. I'm adding salt to it at first. I'm going to add salt to all the chicken, and after then I'm going to add the other ingredients like the pepper, the black pepper. Okay, so I'm just going to seasoning it with all the stuff that I've got there, and then I'll continue the next process. Okay, so this is also my spices is like mixed together with pepper, thyme, oregano, everything. Okay, so I'm going to add it to the chicken as well. As you can see, I have to forward it, like make it faster. Okay, yes, so that we will not take much time. So I have to put everything like the spices on the chicken and let it marinate. Okay, and after that I'm going to add my olive oil to the pan and start frying the chicken. I'm also going to tell you the benefits of what I'm going to use or what I used in the recipe. Okay guys, just stay tuned. So right about now I'm going to start adding my chicken breast to the pan. I'm going to fry it on each side for 5 minutes. Okay, so you don't have to let your heat be too high, like you have to put it on the low, like not that low but not that high as well. Okay, so I'm going to tell you some of the benefits of chicken. Okay guys, so chicken breast is also very good. It's an excellent source of lean protein. It is also rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B6, B12, iron, zinc, and copper. Guys, trust me, chicken is very healthy and good for you. It is also very low in fat and in calorie. Okay, yes, that's why I said it is also good for weight loss. If you want to lose weight, you can also eat chicken. You can also make this recipe, like this food that I'm doing, that I'm cooking, you can do it as well. It is also very good for the body. Yeah, chicken also relieves stress. It gives you healthy bones. Like I said, it's good for weight loss, and it's also good for immunity boost, like it's good for the immune system. Okay, yes. And guys, as you can see, I have finished frying the chicken on both sides for 5 minutes. So I'm going to remove the chicken now and continue to the next process. Okay, Yes, as you can see, that's how the chicken has to be cooked. It has to be golden brown, okay? Not that brown, like don't let it be burnt, okay? Don't burn the chicken. Yes, that's how you're supposed to let the chicken cook. So I'm just going to take it out and then wash the pan and go to the next process. In my new washed pan, I'm going to add olive oil to the pan again and start frying the sauce or make the sauce. Okay, so now I'm going to let the olive oil heat, and after heating it, I added my onions. So I'm going to let the onions fry for like about 30 seconds or 40 seconds, and then I'm going to add my mushroom. As you can see, it has fried for that seconds I said, so I'm going to add the mushroom now to the pan and let it cook. Yes, I'm going to let it cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, yes, because I'm going to still add my other sauce to it later, my cream and all that. So as you can see, I added 1 teaspoon of butter to the sauce, to the pan. Yes, I like that taste of the butter. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the benefit of mushroom as well. So guys, mushrooms are rich, low-calorie source of fiber. It has a high protein and antioxidants. Yes, it is also very good for serious health conditions like Alzheimer's, heart disease, cancer and diabetes. Okay, they are also great source of selenium. Yes guys, as you can see, I added half Maggi cube to the mushroom, like to the sauce, okay, to the pan. Yes, because I want it to have that good taste, that unique taste. And after that, I also added my black pepper to it, and I'm also going to add the other spices like the mixed spices to it later on. Yes, mushrooms has vitamin D. It lowers the blood pressure. It boosts the immune system. It's good for weight loss. And as you can see, guys, I added my heavy cream, the Schlag Sahne, to the pan and added a little amount of water to it because we don't want the sauce to be like too thick. Okay, so now I'm just going to turn it together, like stir it together, and then add my I'll add my black pepper to it as well, and salt to taste. Okay, yes, so as you can see, I added salt to it, and now I'm going to add the spices, the mixed spices, and my black pepper as well. Yes guys, like I told you, this recipe is very easy to prepare and it is so delicious, guys. Trust me, you are going to love it. The taste is out of this world. The taste is everything. You have to give this a try. Okay, give it a try and let me know in the comment section what you think about the food. Yes, so guys, I'm going to let it cook for 2-3 minutes, and then after that I added my chicken to it, the chicken breast that I already fried. So I'm going to add it to the sauce and let it cook for, let's say, another 3 minutes. And after then, the food will be ready. So as you can see, I lower my heat. The heat is not that high. Yes guys, it is very important to lower your heat. Don't let it be too high. If not, everything will just dried up so fast and it will not cook properly. Yes, so as you can see, I added the chicken, and now I use the spoon to like pour the sauce on top the chicken, okay, so that everything will just like taste good, like you have that good taste all over. Yes guys, as you can see, that's how I prepare this delicious food you are seeing here. After 3 minutes, the food is ready. Yes guys, that's how I prepare this delicious food. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Subscribe, click on the bell icon so that you get all notifications anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and also comment. See you in my next video. Bye.